back foodies, this is Poonam Bachao. In our summer series, today I am back with yet another no-cook recipe. Today we are going to make cold coffee milkshake, a refreshing and delightful drink to beat the summer heat. You require just 4 ingredients, a blender and 5 minutes to whip up this creamy drink with a perfect kick of coffee and a lovely frothy layer at the top. The recipe is quick and simple and refined sugar free as honey is the choice of sweetener. Also I have used homemade chocolate syrup which is preservative free. If you love chocolate and coffee, you are surely going to enjoy the delicious flavors of both of this in this milkshake. So why wait? Let's get started. To make 1 tall glass of cold coffee milkshake, we require 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. I have used homemade, 2 teaspoons of honey or any sweetener of your choice, and 1 cup of chilled milk. Here I have used full cream dairy milk. Vegans can use any plant-based milk like soy or almond milk. Add 1 tablespoon of warm water to the instant coffee and give it a good mix and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chilled milk to the blender jar, followed by the addition of coffee mixture, chocolate sauce and honey. Add few ice cubes if you wish to. Now blend this well for around 1 to 2 minutes or until it becomes nice creamy and frothy. You can also add 1 to 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream if you wish to. You can see a lovely frothy layer at the top. Next, take a tall serving glass and drizzle chocolate sauce all over its inner edges. You can find the link to the homemade chocolate syrup recipe in the description box below. Now slowly pour our cold coffee milkshake into this glass. Now garnish the top frothy layer with swirls of chocolate syrup if you wish to. Serve immediately or chill until use. Another delicious way to enjoy this cold coffee milkshake is to top it with 1 or 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. You can also garnish it with some chocolate chips and fresh mint. Our refreshing and delightful summer treat is ready to serve. Now I will show one more interesting way of enjoying cold coffee milkshake. Many of you must have noticed the taste and the texture of the cold coffee milkshake spoiling by addition of ice cubes. Follow this simple trick and notice the difference yourself. Pour your regular leftover brewed coffee into the ice cube trays and freeze it completely. You can replace ice in your favorite cold coffee drink with these coffee cubes. Take some milk in a mason jar or shaker. Add little vanilla essence, honey or any sweetener of your choice. Close the lid of the jar and give it a good shake. Now take a serving glass and add few coffee cubes to it. Now pour the vanilla flavored milk over these coffee cubes. Our refreshing and delightful cold coffee milkshake is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback with us in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the latest recipe updates. I will be back with yet another healthy and delicious creation from my kitchen. Until then, stay safe and eat right.